Namaste, welcome to Handmade. My name is Sunny. In this video, I'll share my process of creating this jeweled crocodile. This project taught me some valuable lesson about sculpting, or I could say carving. Like creating details while making sure it facilitates the step of embedding crystals. By creating enough space for each crystal and between the details of this project. Another lesson, how to create cavities for each crystal and different ways these crystals could be placed. I also had to figure out a way to join different parts of this project because I made them separately and glued them later. The process to make this project starts from a block of plaster of Paris to which I carved a base shape, and with help of different tools I began to give it some details. Now that I'm thinking of it, the major part was to make sure that each detail of this project and space for each crystal had to be in forefront of my mind from the beginning. There were many parts of this project that had to be altered while I was making it. Like the limbs had to be made separately because otherwise there wasn't enough space to some parts to create cavity for each crystal. And I changed the whole tail because I had a better tail design idea later in the process. Trigger warning for viewers with trypophobia. Now that carving was complete, it was time to create cavity for each crystal. To make cavity, I had to measure and mark whole sculpture carefully. And yes, I'm aware I could have done much better with this process, but I learned a lot from it. Next step was to paint this project. I used black as a base coat and a pearl green as a top paint of this croc. At this point of the process, all I had to do was glue each crystal into the cavity with help of silicone. And my jeweled crocodile is complete. Hope you liked it. Enjoy the final look. Hope you guys visit soon to see my future projects. And if you liked what you saw today, I would appreciate if you like, share and subscribe to my channel. I would see you soon. Do take care. Love and light. Bye.